Hello everyone. On the previous video we have learned about the percentage increase and percentage decrease. The three formulas here we have learned, and the three formulas we have learned on the decrease section also. So in exercise 9.3 we'll be using these here. The increase, only about the increase, those three formulas will be needed, and here only those three formulas of decrease are needed. So here you can see that in the first problem that some of the values are given and some of them are missing. In the whole box you will see that. Okay, so you will be you have to find it out which formula you should use to find out the missing value. So first one, it is given as original value is given and the increased value is given, increase missing and the percentage increase which is missing. So you will be doing something like this. Original value is ₹25, increased value is ₹28. To find out the increase, we will simply what? Subtract the increased value from the original value, which is 28 minus 25, that is ₹3. And to find out the percentage increase, we will be using this formula, increase by original value into 100%, which gives us, after calculation, we will be putting all the values are given. 3 increase original value is given as 25, so after cancellation we will be getting 12%. B, you try it yourself. C, I have done. C, here original value is given, increased value is missing, increase is missing, and the percentage increase is given. So now we have to find out the increase and the new value. So original value is 40 gram, increased value is 30% in origin. So after using the formula, cross multiply it, and then you will get the result increase as 12 gram. Okay, put the value and calculate it, you will get the result as 12 gram. And about the increased value, so here we know that increase equals to increased value minus original value. So we'll put the values of increased value we know, original value we know. Find out the increased value, just add the increase to the original value, you will get the result as this one, 52 gram. E, here original value is given, increased value is missing, increase is missing, and the increased percentage is given. So with the help of increased value and the percentage increase, we have to find out the original value and the increase. So here increased value is given, increased value and the new value, that the formula is same. So increased value is what? 100% in plus increase percent into original value. So we have the increased percent, which is 10%, increased value we have, which is 55 degree Celsius, which is 55. Now to find out all the values, we have the only original value, we have to find it out. So after calculation we'll get the value as 50 degrees Celsius. Here 55 by 100, 110%. So we know that denominator here, any number, suppose A is a number and B by C is a fraction, because if we write it here 55 by, if we write it in a if we write the percentage, so 110 divided by 100, so it is a fraction. So the denominator of that fraction will come to the numerator of the denominator of a denominator will come to the numerator. So the result will be something like this. So it will be 55 into 100 divided by 110. Okay, see, denominator of a denominator will be in the numerator. So after that, calculate the value, cancel whichever is cancelable, and the value comes as 50 degrees Celsius. Now since you have got the original value, so now increase is increase, we have to find out the increase. Increased value is given, original value we have got it, so equal to how much increased, so 55 minus 50 degrees Celsius, which is 5 degrees Celsius increased. Okay, so now we'll be using the increase, the problems that I have skipped. You try it yourself using the formulas, those three formulas of the percentage increase, and now we'll be using the decrease section. That is, the three formulas are there on the decrease value. So here question number B I'm doing. Okay, here original value is given and the decrease value is given, so rest of them I have to find it out. So decrease value, you can find out the decrease value. So here, since decrease and original value is given, to find out the decreased value, so since it is minus, it will come here. It is plus, it will become minus. So original value minus decrease. Now original value is given 2 hour, decrease value is given 0.5 hour. So after subtraction, it gives us 1.5 hours. Now another one we have to find out is the percentage decrease. So decrease, we have the original value. Original value we have 2 hour into 100%. So 1.5 divided by 2 into 100%. After cancellation, it gives us 75%. Here F original value is given, decreased value is given, and decrease equals to 11 gram. Percentage decrease equals to 20%. Okay, so now the decrease and the percentage decrease is given, and we have to find out the original value and the decreased value. So decrease is 11 gram, percentage decrease is equals to 20%. So have the formula, decrease by original value, and after cross multiplication it gives us 55 gram. So we have got the original value. Now we have to find out the new value. So we know that decrease equals to original value minus decreased value. So decrease is 11, original value 55, so decreased value will be what? 55. The decreased value will come here, 11 will come here, it will become subtract, it will be minus, so 55 minus 11, which gives us 44 gram. The problems that I have skipped here on both the boxes, use the three formulas. Okay, use only those three formulas and you will get the result here. Two values are given and you have to find it out. Use the formulas, you will get the results of all of them. Okay, try it yourself. Question number 4. The price of an iron increased by 8% to rupees 777.60. Find the original price of the iron. Okay, so here the increased percentage is given and the increased price is given. Now we have to find out the original value. So to find out the original value, we have the formula is, our formula will be increased price equals to 100% of increase into original value. So the percentage increase is given as 8% and the original value we don't know, we have to find it out, and the increased value is given as 777.60. Now here 100 plus 8 gives us 108%, and here decimal, I have removed the decimal and written as it as a fraction. So now 108% will come in. If we cross multiply, it will come to the denominator. So here again 108% it is written as 1 by 108 divided by 100. So it is denominator of denominator. In the next step it will come in the numerator. So 100 and 100 cancels out, and if we divide this 77,760 by 108, the result comes as 720. So the original price of the iron is 720. Question number 3, the value has increased and asked us about the original value. Question number 3, Ronald's monthly salary was 30,000. Find his new salary if it is increased by 6%. Here the Ronald's monthly salary is given as rupees 30,000. So since it has increased by 6%, so we have to find out what is the 6% of the original value. That is 6% of 30,000 gives us 1800. Now they have asked us to find out a new value, na? So it will be simply added to the original value. To find out the new value, since it has been increased by 6%, so it has increased from 30,000 plus 1800, which gives us 13,800. That means the new salary of Ronald is 13,800. Understood, guys? The price of a book decreases from rupees 1,250 to 1,050. Find the percentage decrease. Find the decrease in price. So decrease in price we have to find out, na? So see, it's very simple. So the original price is what? 1,250, and the new price is 1,050. Subtract the value, whatever value comes, that will be the decrease, and after that use the formula of the percentage decrease, which is decrease by original value into 100%. You have the decrease. After subtraction you will be having the decrease value of the decrease and the original value, which is 100 or 1,250 into 100%. Calculate it, you will get the result as you will get the percentage decrease. You try this one yourself. Okay, now question number 6. Jacob's weekly expenses are rupees 2,464 after it decreased by 12%. Find his original weekly expenses. So decrease expenses is rupees 2,464, percentage decrease is 12%. Decreased value equals to 100% into decreased percent into original value. This will be your formula, since they have asked us to find out the original value, na? So use this formula. Here decreased percentage is given 12%, which gives us 88% after subtraction, and the original value. After calculation you will get the result as 2,800. Use this formula, put the values, do the calculation, and you will get that. Here 2,464 divided by 88%, so 2,464 88%. Since again it is in the denominator, so denominator of a denominator, 88% means what? 88 by 100, so 100 will be on the numerator. So here is the numerator into 100. So after calculation, cancellation, you will get the result as rupees 2,800. That means his original weekly expenses was rupees 2,800. Okay, go through the problems nicely, guys. PDFs are already given on the Frontier Collegiate app. Download it. Okay, if you haven't downloaded it still now, and take care, guys. Thank you.